Guten Morgen, Namaste, filmt schon.
Yeah.
Good morning, so nice to see you. I'm doing the fire breathing for you, so we can do it together or afterwards. It's a strong exhaling from the nostril, contracting the pelvic floor every time you exhale. And yeah, so turn around the camera please so that you got the sun. So see, we are doing it facing the sun, facing this lovely beach here. So yeah, wie sieht man's besser? How do you see it better? Like this?
Yes.
So let's do it here. So strong exhaling from the nose. When I do the nauli Krya, that is this here, you will have to film from above.
Okay.
So starting with the fire breathing. To all the sides, so as if you throw something away from you. To the other side also, and then upwards. You can do it 108 times. I will not do it that long, so that's the movie before the YouTube. And you can finish with Brahmari Pranayam, this humming. So during the Brahmari, the last part of this, you can tag the tongue up on the roof of the mouth to activate the pineal gland, the acupressure points inside the mouth. And yes, if you do this sequence every day, that's very good to protect your immune system, to strengthen your immune system, protect yourself against viruses and other illnesses, other sickness. And what else? Yeah, to stay fit, happy, smiling. So I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, namaste.